Well, it's a beautiful day here in North Wales. Welcome to Milmo Woods workshop. Not been out in the workshop doing anything for a long time, various reasons. Been that long, look at my hair and beard. But a few family illnesses, etc. kept me away from the workshop. Hoping to get back in, so I've come down today. And I've not posted anything for a long time, so kind of thought, everyone does a shop tour. Why not give you a shop tour of Milmo Wood from North Wales? So that's the idea. Hopefully I'll start doing some more projects and get them posted online. At least start sharing some photos, etc. again. Get back into the community. I have been following you all. I do really appreciate the stuff that you put online. Task Workshop, Conkers Bonkers, etc. Really great guys. Really good stuff online. The people I follow, I've learned a lot from, so thank you very much. Well, everyone needs a shop friend. Fat Cat, well, Nibbles, I think. Lost a lot of weight though, so I guess the nickname Fat Cat doesn't count anymore. So, pretty bog standard British garage. Put everything that I can on wheels. So, currently outside I got my thickness planer, my scroll saw, which obviously takes up a lot of room. Nice little bandsaw. Bit of a workhorse really, in fairness. Put it on wheels but made a cupboard for it. All sorts of cupboard. Potential future projects. Glasses, epoxy, bottles, picture frames, you name it. I've got a miniature bandsaw that Mrs. Milmo Steph bought me, or Milmo Creations, when I started whittling, to help me whittle out some blanks. Doesn't get used a huge amount now, but it's really useful size. Hidden behind, a very small pillar drill. Works for me though. Dust collection system. It was all separate, but I needed to get it movable. So now it's on a little trolley. Got a cheap cyclone, can't remember, 10 quid from China. Food quality drum, but it's airtight. And a relatively small vacuum, I guess. From memory it's 1.5 horsepower. And then 4-inch intake, which fits onto bandsaws, etc. But primarily I use the 2-inch. Not ideal, but does the job for me. Another great gift from Milmo Creations, 12-inch beveled mitre saw. Excellent. I never realised how useful they would be. Superb gift. Recent acquisition, which I had all sorts of trouble with. Not really used it, just tried it. So expectation is I'll be getting my hardwood stuff on there when I start making some more decent things. What I'm trying to do is buy tools before I retire, when I can afford them. I've got a few years yet to retirement age, 10 years or so. Oh, as it happens, it's my birthday tomorrow, 54 tomorrow. In Britain, the retirement age 67. You can go earlier, obviously, but so I've got a few years left. I don't want to work till I'm 67, that's for sure. Little workbench, but to be honest, never used as a workbench. More stores my tools. Vices, yeah, now and again. Primary workbench is the old chest freezer. covered in all sorts, as you can see. So right little workhorse. Steph doesn't really mind, I don't suppose, as long as it doesn't get on the food inside. Little projects on the go. I'll be posting something on that shortly, I guess. Started it, left it for quite a few weeks, if not a couple of months. Time to get back at it. Today I actually came out to make a picture frame, so there's some 4x2 just ready to go. One of the first tools I bought, to be honest. Yeah, silky big boy. So started foraging, making trinket boxes from the local woods, so when I go walking, the idea is to take this with me, hack a lump off. Made a few trips to the local woods, which is probably half a mile away, and got some big lumps, so it doesn't mess about, easily cuts through it. Bit of effort, but well worth it. Fetched them back, been in there drying for a few years. Table saw, it's got some can crushers on it at the moment, and I copied the idea from a video on YouTube. I made about 8, I think. The idea was to start mass production, and multiple items at the same time, save on setup, the possibility of selling. As you can see, the plywood from the local timber yard's not the best. That one snapped, so I was a bit reluctant to sell them, but I do have one in the conservatory I've been using for a long time. Nice little crosscut sled that I made. Beginning to get some wood, but most of it's kind of plywood, etc. I've got some hardwoods in there, some nice stuff. Got one which is very nice, but starting to rot, so I need to use resin or something just to make it workable. Shelving, felt-in stuff in the box, router, orbital sander, bits and bobs. Which you can see we're kind of really packed in. Well, quick tour. Hope it doesn't bore you. Hopefully I can get some nice stuff produced shortly, get it online. Like I say, fabulous day in North Wales. For the minute, I might just go out. Have a great weekend, guys. Hope to get some posting online soon, and keep up the good work. Thanks for all your support. Cheers now.